Benjamin Godard, Mabel's Serenade. That was the Chamber Orchestra of Waterloo with Ulisse Waterloo conducting. You're listening to Classical Radio Boston. We're raising money, we're playing music, and we're playing as much music as possible to help you cope during strange times. But to keep that playing, we need financial support from our listeners. That's how it works in public radio. It's the next to last day of our very short fall membership drive, and I'm asking you to take just a few minutes to give. Online at classicalwcrb.org or call 888-995-9272. I'm Alan McClellan, and I'm here with Maeve Buckley.
And we have such a special way of saying thank you today here on this next to last day of this short fall membership drive. It's the WCRB wireless earbuds. These are a very special thank you gift of ours, a very popular, and this limited offer for only today. But they're yours for just $10 per month on the Sustainer plan or a one-time gift of $120. If you're wondering what they are, well, they're exactly as they sound. They are wireless earbuds. They don't have any cords or anything to tangle up. They're just two earbuds. You can use one on its own. You can use both together, and they'll work with your phone. They'll connect with any Bluetooth-enabled device, and they're fantastic to have. You can toss them in. They have a little charging case that has the WCRB logo on it. You can toss them in there to charge up, or toss it in your backpack or your purse and take them with you on the go. And newer phones don't have headphone jack. A lot of them don't, so our wireless earbuds are a fantastic solution for that. 888-995-9272. Make that all-important gift of support right now here on this next to last day of our membership drive, and ask for the wireless earbuds as our way of saying thank you. 888-995-9272 or online at classicalwcrb.org.
And giving is so easy here. I hope that you understand what we mean by the Sustainer plan. It is just a situation where you pick an amount that fits your budget, say $5, $10, or $15 a month. The monthly amount is deducted from your checking account or your credit card. That's it. Best of all, it only takes a couple of minutes to enroll, and you don't have to worry about renewing your membership and over and over and over again. Just make a call, 888-995-9272, and get involved on the Sustainer plan. Also do it at classicalwcrb.org.
And we are hearing from many folks that they've been listening to WCRB more and more over the past few months. We are one of the few places that offers an oasis from the difficult news. And we've condensed our fall membership drive to just 3 days instead of the typical 7. But the need for your support is more important than ever. Remember, we're trying to raise our entire normal pledge drive goal by Thursday. That's just 1/3 of the time we normally would have to do it. It's kind of crazy, but if everyone who loves this music pitches in, you know we can do it. All gifts are welcome, so make that gift right now. 888-995-9272 or give online at classicalwcrb.org.
Pandemic life, that's what we're going through right now, and it's been kind of hard to take for all of us. We've been hearing from many people who say that WCRB is an oasis, a respite from it all. And if you turn to WCRB for an escape, for a little joy, a little peace, a little solace, then make a contribution right now. The news won't let up, but neither will WCRB. We promise to remain that oasis, bringing this wonderful music to you in the months ahead. Do it now, 888-995-9272, or give online at classicalwcrb.org.
And when you give online, it's very easy to leave a comment to let us know why you're making your gift of support, and we greatly appreciate all gifts of support, whether you call or go online. But I want to say a quick thank you to Kathleen in Norwood, who just made a contribution, and she left a little comment. She says that classical music is timeless and belongs on our airwaves forever. This music brings peace and joy throughout the day. WCRB's hosts are longtime favorites and among the best on the air. Thank you, WCRB. Well, thank you, Kathleen, for that wonderful comment, and thank you for your gift of support. You can join Kathleen and make your gift right now, whether you call or go online. All that matters is that you make that gift. 888-995-9272 or make your gift online at classicalwcrb.org.
And when you sign up as a sustaining member at $10 a month, we'd be so glad to thank you with our truly wireless earbuds. A limited offer today only, and these earbuds are fabulous. It's a useful tool, as in so many of the thank you gifts. But this one, you can take WCRB with you wherever you go using the WCRB app, and they'll work with your phone, your tablet, any Bluetooth-enabled device. Just sign up as a sustaining member at $10 a month. And ask for those wireless earbuds. If you give $120 all at once, we'd be so glad to send them to you as well. The deadline is 7 o'clock tonight, support your listening by bidding at classicalwcrb.org or call 888-995-9272.
And thank you so much again. If you've already made your gift of support, we just heard from Drew in Wakefield and also Laura in Canton. Thank you so much for your gift of support. Laura says when she left her gift on a comment online, classical music is the song we all need. And it truly is. You know, especially now, you are turning to WCRB for joy and peace, and we are happy to be here 24/7, playing that music that brightens your day and brings you comfort. But we have shortened our 7-day fall drive to just 3 days. That means it is more important than ever that you make your gift of support right now. 888-995-9272 or give online at classicalwcrb.org.
And here's some more of that music we go to for an escape. It's from François Couperin. It's Ritratto dell'amore. Trio Sonoriti, please.
Because there is no way, and I want you to listen to me here, there is no way to rig a presidential election the way they are claiming Trump did. Now, you would need a really close election where the Democrats could say we need an additional 50,000 votes in Cook County, or we need an additional 80,000 in West Virginia. You would delay closing in those places, and you manufacture the votes. You mentioned Al Franken finding votes in the trunk of a car 2 weeks later. You can do that, but you need the election to be over. You need it to be over, and you need to know how many votes you need and